got sticks for real. We looking out for the opposition, we don't do this for mass appeal. Don't make me blast it still. I put in work, no fly in the mirror. They want me to lose, but I can't. Mama shed like 1,000 tears. I can't do that shit to waste. I pull up in Mercedes. Next year you gon' see me pull up in the race. All I know is ball hard. Mama told me, boy, make sure you tie up your lace. Hey, when I was down bad, boy, I got on my knees, I started to pray. Now I'm breaking bread with my young vet Wiz. He was a part of the gang. No, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling. I can turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my ass. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right up, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling. I can turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my ass. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right, I push the. I do the dash, on my way to the bag, boy, you know I push the gas.
Welcome back, Diecast fans. It's your boy DCS right here on another weekend. Okay, it's not a problem if it's not a weekend also. Alright, guys, talking about today's car. I mean, today I've got the Kinsmart, guys. It's the diecast car. Okay, the pullback, door openable action car right here. So this is a legitimate one, guys. Today I have the BMW Z8 right here, guys. Yes, the BMW Z8. It's a really cool classic. I mean, not exactly a classic. It was made in 2000s and ended up at 2003, but still, it is a really good car, guys. Only 555 made, and it's a unique one, actually. Even it was in the movie, yes, the Bond movie. Of course, The World Is Not Enough. Yes, it was there for a short scene, but then it got cut into half, and yeah, okay, not remembering that, it's a pretty sad scene. Alright, guys, actually, there were two versions of this car. First was a normal Roadster, and then came the Alpine version, guys. That was a really good one, but the Alpine version was kind of less tuned, whereas the normal one was based on the drivetrain of the BMW E39 M5, which had a manual gearbox, but I don't know whether this is the Alpine one or the normal one. I guess it's the normal one, guys. Alright, so let's talk about it and the looks and details. Well, talking about the previous video which I uploaded, guys, that was the real versus the fake Hot Wheel. Of course, it was the 2018 Camaro SS, guys, the comparison video. Check it out if you like to compare cars right here from different brands or something, because that was a fake one. Alright, so yeah, guys, that's the previous video, guys. So yeah, talking about the Z8 more, why don't we just unbox it? Yeah, let's see the details first, and then let's talk about its information, guys. So here we go for the information of this cool Roadster. Also, there's a surprise for this car, guys, because yeah, I'll tell you in the unboxing. So here we go. Out of the box, guys, the BMW Z8 right here. It's a pretty cool design, guys. Like, yeah, at first I was like, wow, it really had a good design. So this is how it looks at the front, guys. You have the BMW logo right here. I hope you guys can see that, right? Yeah, the BMW logo. It's written BMW Z8 as a nameplate. Here it has some good turn indicators, but yeah, it's kind of misaligned right here, but that's alright. Okay, so this is how it looks at the side, guys. Yes, at the side, this is how it looks, and the wheels are pretty old. I don't know why, but well, that's alright. At least it has some good grippy tires right here. Well, yeah, this is the side profile. It's pretty humped up like this. I don't think they gave much attention to the well, let's say the aerodynamics. So this is how it looks at the back. You have the BMW Z8 logo right here, and the BMW logo. It's pretty nicely detailed, thank God, Kinsmart. And this is how it looks at the interior. So I hope you guys can see that, right? Yeah, the interior is like this. Pretty nice detailing, like the inside. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it in this car. Well, once more, the interior. Yeah, I guess you guys can see even the gauges. That's pretty cool. So yeah, guys, now the pushback action, I mean the pullback action, I totally forgot. Yeah, so here it goes. Pretty nice sound. Alright guys, the one more thing which I want to tell you, the surprise thing, yes, here it is. This is the surprising part guys about this car. I totally took the top off now and you guys can see the interior much more properly guys. So yeah, this is how it looks and it's really cool guys. The convertible version is so much better. So especially in the Kinsmart, actually you can take the top off right here, just clip it on back and then it's on there. So yeah, that's the best part in this car guys. It looks so much better now. Yeah, so that's the surprising thing about this Kinsmart guys. It's really good. Now let's go for the info. Hey, now it's time to talk about this cool BMW Z8 Roadster guys. Okay, starting off, yeah, it is the information obviously. So here, talking about today's car, yeah, first, let's start off with the top speed, guys. The top speed of this car is actually electronically limited to 250 kilometers per hour. That's 155 miles per hour. Not so good. I mean, 155 miles per hour is not such a good top speed, but okay. Moving on to the acceleration, guys. The acceleration, yeah, the 0 to 60 time, it does it in 4.7 seconds. Well, again, not bad for the 2000s. Well, going for the engine now. Okay, the engine had two options. One was the 4.9 liter dual overhead cam V8, which was called as the S62 engine, and yeah, it was from the E39 M5 drivetrain. So yeah, moving on to the next one. The next one was the 4.8 liter dual overhead cam V8, which was the M62 version. That was only in the Alpine editions, guys. So, and it was slightly detuned. Well, not very appreciating. Well, going for the transmission, guys. The transmission, again, two options. One was the 6-speed manual, which was there in the regular one, and the other one was a 5-speed automatic, which was only available in the Alpine versions. Again, for comfort, I guess. Well, now moving on to the horsepower, guys. The horsepower, yeah, again, it was divided in two. So the first one is the S62. That was 394 horsepower. Not bad. That was a really good power. But going for the M62 one, yeah, that was slightly detuned again. So it was 375 horsepower. So yeah, guys, talking about the body style, of course you know it. I don't even have to mention that. It's two-door Roadster, and this car is a rear-wheel drive, guys. So that's the info. I hope you guys like got something from the info. All right. So talking about the last part, that's the ratings, guys. So yeah. Looking at all of its features of this BMW, I mean the Kinsmart one, I really like the, you know, that convertible thing and all of its features like the door opening stuff and the pullback action. It really has a lot. So I give it a 9.5 out of 10, guys. Yes, big applause to this BMW. Okay, so yeah, guys, that's the end of the video, guys. Comment your opinion down below. I'll check them out, and stay tuned for my weekly video updates. And also follow me on Instagram and Facebook if you want to see this car in much more detail, guys. So see you then. Bye bye. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Bye bye. And oh yeah, I said that twice. Okay, see ya. And don't worry, guys, the giveaways are gonna come, so stay tuned. Bye. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.